Hello everyone, how are you? If you remember, last time I stopped at exercise number 7, use of English, actually, because it really needs your attention to understand this. It's easy, but you should pay attention. Make the words in the brackets into participle adjectives by adding ing or ed. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the adjectives. Before we start answering the sentences, I want you to watch this short video that is going to explain to you in a very easy way what is the difference between ed or ing. It's easy. Please watch. So here, students, the feeling of the person, we say frightened. Okay, how someone or a person feels, we put ed. But the thing that causes this feeling, we say snakes are frightening. Okay, ing. See, the thing or person that makes us feel, we put ing. Okay? So as you can see, the adjectives, as she's frightened with ed, it means how person feels. Okay? Here, examples, the snakes are frightening. Why do I put the ing? Ing, it means the thing or person that makes us feel. Okay? Yes. Another easy and exciting video to explain to you. If you look at this face, we say he is frightened. This is his feeling. And the monster is?
He is frightening.
Frightening.
What's the difference? First, frightening and frightening are adjectives.
See, adjectives.
Adjectives with ed describe the state or feeling of the subject. Adjectives with ing describe the feeling or state the subject causes. What happens if we reverse this example?
Okay, now if it's the opposite, I say, look.
Now, he is frightened.
See, yes.
He is frightening. In this case, the monster receives the adjective. The man causes it. Here's another example. The hot dog is amazing. The hot dog causes this feeling in the man. The hot dog is amazed is grammatically correct, but very unlikely. In this case, the hot dog would not typically have feelings. Instead, it would say, the man is amazed. That's it.
Yes.
Does this help you understand that?
Okay, yeah, that's it. So now back here, I hope that you can use the words in the correct way. Make the words here, as you can see. Number 1, Tom discovered a lot of interesting food during his travel. Number 2, Tom was on a fascinated or fascinating journey. Actually, we say fascinating journey around the world. Number 3, Tom was having an exciting adventure in Africa. Abai's family were amazed. This is their feelings when they heard about Tom's adventures. 5, Tom was very, after such an eventful day on the road, of course we say tired, this is his feeling. And number 6, cycling around the world was a tiring task. Okay? Now students, if I move to number 8 about pronunciation, the 2 letters CH in English, makes the sound ch. Listen and repeat these words from the story, and then they say in the last 2 here, which 2 letters make the sound ch in the last 2 words?
41.
Listen please.
Chewed, watched, children, cheered, adventure, action.
Yes, actually, TU and TU in the two words to make the sound ch. Now here students, they say make visitors welcome. How? When have you been a visitor in another home or school? What did people do to make you feel welcome? Actually, you should express yourself. Have you ever been a visitor in another country? Did you feel that you are welcome? Why? Yes. Why not? And what can you do to make visitors from another country welcome in your town or city? How about your home? Now, if I move quickly, students, to the activity book, please read the extract again, and if it's true, okay, if it's wrong, you need to correct the false one. Number one, about the boy who backed the world, Tom didn't want to go to Abai's house. False. Tom was very pleased when Abai invited him to his house. Number two, Abai's family were very surprised when they saw Tom, but they were very pleased to welcome him. True. Number three, there wasn't enough food for Tom as well as the family. False. There were plenty of food for Tom and the family. Number four, most of Abai's family could speak English. False. Only Abai and his father. Abai's mom served the food with rice. No, we said with a bread, kind of a bread called injera. 6, the family ate the food by picking it up with the injera bread. True. 7, Abai showed Tom how to eat the food in the Ethiopian way. True. Tom said thank you for the food in English. No, he said it in Amharic, and it was the word amsignalo. Number 9, during the meal, everyone wanted to find out about each other's countries. True. 10, Tom learned that the Ethiopian calendar is 7 years in front of the rest of the world's calendar. False. It is 7 years behind. So if you know we are in 2020 in Ethiopia, it means they are in 2013. Yes. 11, he also learned that according to Ethiopian time, the day begins when the sun goes down. No, when the sun rises. And the last one, Abai's family made Tom feel very welcome because they were kind to him. True. Use the words, you know, we talked about this in the following sentences. If you don't chew your food properly, you might get stomach ache. Number 2, here's some paper from the notebook and wrote down his phone number. We say tore off. Number 3, if I had heaps of money, I would travel around the world. Number 4, more people could sit around the table because it was circular shape. And number 5, Anna speaks Spanish and English very well, so she translated the Spanish sentences into English so everyone could understand. Here, students, if I move to use of English, if you do remember, you know we talked about the participle adjectives with ed and ing. Okay? We said, students, here, participle can often be used as adjectives before nouns or after the auxiliary verb to be. Participle adjectives ending in ing or ed according, as we said, to the meaning of this sentence. See, like we said, according to the feelings of the person, Abai's mom was shocked to learn that people in England do not eat injera. Tom was excited. See here, excited, Tom's reaction to his adventure. So please now, students, try to make sure to choose the correct adjective with ed or ing, okay? As we said, it's called the participles. Yes. So quickly, students, take some time to find the answers. At first, Tom was feeling tired and unhappy because he was missing home, but then he met Abai, who invited him to stay and have dinner with his family. At first, Abai's family were very, according to the family, what do I say, surprised or surprising? I say surprised to see Tom, but they were very pleased to welcome him in the home during dinner. They were very fascinated to hear about his exciting adventures, and Tom was very interested to find more about Ethiopia. He was surprised to learn that the Ethiopian calendar is different from the rest of the world. He also thought Ethiopian food was amazing. It tasted even better because he was hungry. When he left about his family the next morning, he didn't think about the tiring journey ahead. He felt excited about his adventures once again. Finally, students, okay, please, I want you to know just quickly, this is the last exercise. We saw 2 crocodiles while we were, these are the answers. Please, you can copy the answers quickly. I will leave this for you. Try to read. Okay, and these are the answers. This is a quick revision for Unit 6. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching and contribution, and goodbye.